I'll have a little background sa communication, and lately I've been thinking how really language shapes our reality. And let me explain what do I mean by that. Kasi ako, what I'm trying to do right now is I'm taking advantage of language para mabago ko yung behavior ko, yung thoughts ko, perception ko around wellness. So, for example, food. Okay, around food, we think about nutrition and dieting. Instead of, thinking about dieting, which can imply restriction, something that you won't be eating good and bad food, counting your calories, macros. I don't know if yun din yung mga na-associate mo sa word na dieting. I don't use it anymore. I use the word self-love. And lately, mas better word na na-associate ko sa food ay the Filipino word alaga. So whenever I'm preparing food, whenever I'm putting food sa katawan ko, I'm always asking, ano ba yung mga pagkain na magsho-show na inaalagaan ko yung sarili ko. So there's a feeling of warmth, there's a feeling of love. And it hits different. Hindi ko iniisip ano yung mga bawal. Ang iniisip ko, ano yung makakabuti sa akin. Paano ko maalagaan yung sarili ko. Something that I enjoy and at the same time that will nourish and strengthen my body. You may want to try that. I don't know if may ganong approach na ngayon or existing approach, pero that approach works for me and I hope mag-work din sa'yo. Let me know. I'll see you tomorrow.